Good morning friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. Let me solve the question. NFA over sigma 0, comma 1 for long ways L accept strings where second symbol from RHS is 1. In one of our previous videos, we have constructed a DFA where second symbol from left hand side is 1 like that. Now they are asking us to construct an NFA. Construction of NFA is quite easy. And then they are asking us to convert into a DFA. Let me solve it. Second symbol from right hand side is 1, meaning is that it can be anything. It can end with 0 or 1. Okay, the length of this one can be anything. That's why I represented as x. Length can be anything. It can end with 0 or 1, but the next symbol should be 1. Okay. Meaning is that, let's take that 0, 1, 1, 0. It is also possible. 0, 1, 1, 1. Is it possible? So, if you see the strings, the second symbol from the right hand side is 1. It can be 1, 1, 1 also. So, what is my point? This length of the string can be anything. This it can end with either 0 or 1, but this right hand side means the second symbol from the RHS should be 1. It can be 0, 1, 0 also. So, these are the strings can be possible in the long ways L. So, we will construct the NFA, and construction of NFA is quite easy. Now, we will see how we can do it. I am in state Q0 initially, okay, on Q1, on Q2, sorry. Q2 is my final state. Let's see how it will work. This can be 0 or 1. It can end with 0 or 1. And the second symbol from the RHS should be 1. And this can be of length anything. If you see that, this is quite easy. Now, this one, it can end with either 0 or 1. Second symbol from the RHS should be 1. And the length of the after this one can be anything. Means before of this one can be anything. So, now we will see whether it will accept 1, 1, 1 or not. I am in initial state Q0. 1, 1, 1 is belongs to long ways L or not. The second symbol from the RHS is 1. So, it is belongs to long ways L. Now, whether my NFA will accept it or not. How can I say whether my NFA will accept or not? From initial state, by taking the string, I should reach to a final state. If I reach to any one of the final state, then I can say that the string is accepted by the NFA. In this example, only one final state is there. So, from Q0, on taking the string, I should reach to a state called Q2. We will check whether we are going or not. Q0 on 1, I will be in Q0 only. Q0 on 1, I will be in Q0. See, Q0 on 1, you can go to either Q0 or Q1. That's why it is called as an NFA. But if I want to make accept all ones, I should go to the Q0 only on seeing the 1. The next one, I will go to Q1. Then next one, I will go to Q2. So, I have reached to the final state from the initial state by taking the string 1, 1, 1. So, I can say that the string is accepted. If you have any doubt, you can check it. It will accept all the strings where the second symbol from the RHS is 1. Now, this is the first part. Now, the second part, what they are asking, convert this NFA to a DFA. That is what they are asking. So, we have discussed a few examples how to convert an NFA to DFA. By using the same procedure, I will discuss or I will convert it. If you are very confident of converting an NFA to DFA, I request you to pause the video and try to solve it yourself. And at the end, you can check it whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. Now, before constructing an NFA, what I should do? I should convert this transition diagram to a transition table. So, what is my transition table? Should consist of Q0, Q1, Q2 on alphabets 0, 1. Q0 on 0, it is going to Q0. Q0 on 0 is going to Q0 only. Q0 on 1, it is going to both Q0. Let me write it as it is going to Q0, Q1. Now, Q1 on 0 is going to, Q1 on 0 is going to Q2. Q1 on 1 is going to Q2. Q2 on 0 is not going anywhere, so I will represent as 5. Q2 on 1 also it is not going anywhere, so I will represent as 5. Okay, so I have got the transition table for the given NFA. Now we will convert we will find the transition table of the DFA. So how I can do the transition table of a DFA? The alphabets will be 0, 1 only. And if you read or if you have watched the video of my steps in converting an NFA to DFA, the initial state of what is the initial state of this NFA? Q0. What is the final state? This one. So initial state of an NFA will come and act as an initial state in the DFA. Okay. If you have not watched that video of steps for converting an NFA to DFA, I request you to go and watch the video. Now Q0 on 0, where it is going? It is going to Q0. So I will write it. Q0 on 1, where it is going? It is going to Q0, Q1. If it is an NFA, it is okay. From initial state or from any state, on taking any alphabet, you can go to more than one state or you may not go to anywhere. When it comes to DFA, from any state, by taking an alphabet, you should go to only one state. But if I make it Q0, Q1 as a separate states, then it is going to multiple states. So that is not possible. So I will make Q0, Q1 as a one state. Okay. Now we need to check whether we got any new states or not. Q0 already we have taken, so we got Q0, it is not a new state. But Q0, Q1 is a new state. Q0, Q1 is a new state. So Q0, Q1 on 0, where it is going? Q0, Q1 on A, if you see the, sorry, not A, on 0. Q0, Q1 on 0. Q0 on 0 is going to Q0. Q1 on 0, it is going to Q2. So you have to perform the union among them. Now union of Q0 and Q2 is Q0, Q2 a state. So I have to make it as a one state. Q0, Q2 as a one state I will make it. Now Q0, Q1 on 1, where it is going? Q0, Q1 and Q2. So if I apply union, I will get Q0, Q1, Q2 states. So this is, if you see that this will act as a one state, this will act as a one state. Now you need to verify whether you got any new states or not. Yes, you got two new states. One is Q0, Q2. Another one is Q0, Q1, Q2. These are the two new states you got. Now Q0, Q2 on 0, where it is going? Q0 on 0 is going to Q0. Q2 on 0 is not going anywhere. So if I apply union, I will get Q0. And Q0, Q2 on 1, where it is going, we need to verify. Q0 on 1, it is going to Q0, Q1. Q2 on 1 is not going anywhere. So if I apply union, I will get Q0, Q1. Now you need to check whether you got any new states. Q0 is already existing. Q0, Q1 state is already existing. So you did not get any new states. So we will see this another state Q0, Q1, Q2 on 0, what is happening? Q0, Q1, Q2 on 0 is going to Q0, Q2. So I will apply a union. I will get a state called Q0, Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2 on 1, it is going to Q0, Q1, Q2. It is not going anywhere. So you will get a state called Q0, Q1, Q2. Now you need to check whether you got any new state or not. Q0, Q2 is already existing. Q0, Q1, Q2 is already existing. So you did not get any new states. So which one will act as the initial state? Q0 will act as an initial state. Which will act as a final state? In NFA, which state is accepting as a final state or which state is acting as a final state? Q2 is acting as a final state. So in the DFA, which are the states consists of Q2? You need to find. This state is acting, means consists of Q2. This state is consists of Q2. So both the states will act as a final states. Okay, both the states will act as a final states. So let me construct the DFA here. Okay, I will erase this one. I will discuss, means or I will construct this one, DFA. I got the DFA table. Now I will construct the diagram, transition diagram. Q0 is one state. Q0 Q1 is another state. Okay, Q0 Q2 is another state. Let's make it Q0 Q1 Q2 is another state. So you got 4 states. Q0 Q2 will act as a final state. Q1 Q2 Q0 Q1 Q2 will act as another final state. I hope you have understood how I got the initial state. The state which is acting as an initial state in the NFA will act as an initial state in the DFA also. The state which is acting as a final state in the NFA, you need to find among the states in the DFA where the final state is there. Q2 is here, Q2 is here. So both the states will act as a final states in the DFA. Now Q0 on 0, where it is going to Q0 itself. Q0 on 1, it is going to a state called Q0 Q1. Now Q0 Q1 on 0, Q0 Q1 on 0 is going to Q0 Q2. On 1, it is going to Q0 Q1 Q2. Okay. Now Q0 Q2 on 0 is going to Q0. Q0 Q2 on 1 is going to Q0 Q1. Q0 Q1. Okay. So Q0 Q2 is finished. Q0 Q1 Q2 on 0 it is going to this one. On 1 it is here. Let me write. On 1 it is here. So from the NFA I got a DFA. Now if you see that NFA consists of 3 states but your DFA consists of 4 states. Okay. So what I want to say is that when you are converting from an NFA to DFA, you can get an equal number of states or you can get more than the number of states which are there in the NFA, but you will not get less states. Means in NFA, if you have 3 states, your DFA will not have less than 3 states. It will be either 3 or more than 3 states. And what is the maximum possible? It will be 2 power n. Okay. Why it is so? That because NFA can have transition Q0 on sigma, it can go to 2 power q states. So you can have maximum of, whenever you have a converting a DFA, you can have maximum of 2 power n. Okay. If you have, this is the state of DFA, maximum you can have 2 power n states. Okay. Is it clear? So I hope with this example how I have constructed an NFA where the language L accepts the strings where second symbol from RHS is 1. Then we have discussed converting of NFA to a DFA. If you want to try, you can try third symbol from RHS is 1, or fourth symbol from RHS is 1, or fifth symbol from RHS is 0, and you construct the NFA and you convert into an equivalent DFA. If you find any difficulty, you please write the problems what you are facing in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you so much for listening my video.